Today we are going to start missing frequency based questions from chapter number 14, statistics. In exercise 1, only one question of missing frequency is there. So today we are going to complete that question and along with some more questions which is based on missing frequency questions. Okay, related to mean, क्योंकि मीडियन में भी मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है और मोड में भी है. So here this missing frequency based questions is related to mean only. So this is question number 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. So here mean is given 18. Find the missing frequency f. This frequency we need to find. Okay, so we'll start. I'm using a step deviation method. So first of all, we have to find the class mark. So सबका class size same है, right? The class size is 2. And what is the class mark of first class interval? First class interval का class
12.
mark क्या? 12, right? So we'll write 12. Now what we will do, the class size is same for all the classes, that is 2. So we are going to add 2 one by one. Okay, पूरा continuous 2 ऐड करते जाएंगे. So 12 के बाद 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now see, we are going to assume 18. 18 यहाँ पे middle term है. 18 is the middle term here. And middle term नहीं भी होगा तो एक कुछ मैं प्रायोरिटी बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी रिलेटेड. सो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी जो मीन दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, अगर मीन जो दिया हुआ है, if it is in this column, then you have to assume that number. Okay, if mean is not given, then we have to assume the number which corresponds to the missing frequency. Whether this is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
क्लास मार्क कॉलम में पहले चेक करेंगे कि जो मीन दिया हुआ है वो नंबर है क्या. अगर दिया है वो नंबर, सो दैट यू हैव टू अज्यूम. अदरवाइज द नंबर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द फ्रीक्वेंसी, मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी, यू हैव टू अज्यूम दैट इज 20. सपोज अगर मीन यहाँ पे 24 या कुछ भी दिया हुआ है, नहीं 21 दिया हुआ है, so I will assume missing the number corresponds to missing frequency, that is 20. Okay, clear है? अगर मीन
Yes, sir.
15 भी दिया है, मीन 15 is given, 15 यहाँ बीच में है, but I will take 20 as assume mean. So these are two priorities. Okay, priorities समझ में आ गया. First priority you have to give the mean, whether the number is in the column of class mark, that you have to take assume mean. The second priority is that the number below corresponds to missing frequency, that you have to take. Okay, fine. अभी तो 18 ले लिए, so यहाँ पे हम लोग 0 लिखेंगे. Okay, 1, 2, 3, फिर ऊपर के साइड से नेगेटिव वैल्यूज -1, -2, -3. Okay, now f into u, next column. So 7 into -3, -21, 6 into -2, -12, 7 into -1, 9 into -1, -9, 13 into 0, 0,
0.
f into 1, f, 5 into 2, 10, and 4 into 3, 12. So we'll get these numbers. Now see carefully, this -2 plus 2 we can cancel it, and this is -30, this 2, and this is +10. So we'll get f -20, and the total frequency we have to add all this. Okay, so see how will you add this 20, 15, 35, 40, 44. So 44 plus f, and this is f -20. Whether these two are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to write the formula of mean by step division method. So first A we took 18 and H is the class size, that is common class size, that is 2, and this is the formula, and the mean is given 18, and we'll substitute all the values. So 18 is equals to 18 plus f minus 20 upon 44 plus f into 20. Now see, these two will be cancelled. ये इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे तो माइनस जीरो हो जाएगा. So that is why this is the advantage of taking the number 18. अगर मीन है तो मीन को लेने से ये एक एडवांटेज है, यहाँ पे जीरो हो जाएगा. And finally what we will get, f minus 20 is equals to 0, because if you multiply 0 with any number, that will be 0. If you divide 0 by any number, that will be equals to 0. So we'll get 0 in is equals to 2 into f minus 20 upon 44 plus f. So this will imply f minus 20 is equals to 0. And what is the final answer?
F is equals to 20.
Right, f is equals to 20.
20.
So whether this method is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
we'll move towards the next question. एक और क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग, मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. Here one more frequency is missing. Okay, this is CBSE 2013 question. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 24, find the value of P. Okay, so we'll make one table. So what is the class mark of first class?
5.
5.
Five.
The class size of all the classes are same. So we'll add 5. Will 10 add 10 to every number, 5 consecutively. Okay, 5 के बाद 15, then 25, then 35, then 45. Now we have to assume one number. So our mean is 24. First we have to check whether the mean is here or not. So nahi hai. So I will take the number corresponding to the missing frequency, that is 25. And coincidentally this is the middle term also. So don't think that I took middle term. I took the number corresponding to missing frequency, that is 25. So 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, now f into u. So first 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, p into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 2, 4. So we'll get minus 6, minus 4, 0, 3, 4. So 4, 4 we can cancel it, and minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3. And this total frequency is P plus 12. Okay, P plus 12, and here we will get minus 3. Now A is 25 and H is 10. So we'll write the formula of mean, and mean is given 24. So 24 is equals to 25 plus minus 3 upon P plus 12 into 10. We'll shift to 25 to this side. So क्या हो जाएगा?
Minus 20.
Minus 25. So we'll get minus 1. Okay, this minus minus we can cancel it. Now cross multiply. So P plus 12 is equals to 30. So again shift plus 12 to this side. So we'll get P is equals to 30 minus 12, and the final answer is 18. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is only one missing frequency type question. Now I'm going to show one more example in which two frequencies are missing, and this is also CBSE question 2014. The mean of the following data is given 42, and here two missing frequencies are there, X and Y. Okay, if the sum of the frequencies is 100, so 7 plus 10 plus X plus 13 plus Y plus 10 plus 4 plus 9. The sum of all these frequencies is 100. Now we'll find first class mark. सभी का क्लास साइज सेम है, सो पहला वाला निकालेंगे 5, उसके बाद 10 10 ऐड करते जाओ। सो 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75। अभी यहाँ पे जो मीन दिया हुआ है, ओके, जो मीन दिया हुआ है, मीन कितना दिया हुआ है पिछले क्वेश्चन में, इसमें 42 इज गिवन, नॉट पिछले क्वेश्चन, इन दिस क्वेश्चन द मीन इज गिवन 42। ओके, सो वी हैव टू ऑप्शंस। मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ वाले को अज्यूम करने के लिए कहा था मैंने, तो मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है, कौन कौन सा, 25 और 45। तो छोटे नंबर को अज्यूम करना है, राइट। यू कैन टेक 45 also as assume, but जितना नीचे जाएंगे will get more negative values, so that is why जो मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ वाले जो नंबर है उसमें छोटा नंबर लेना है। ओके, तो इसके स्ट्रेट में 0 लिखो। नाउ दिस इज 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and above you have to write the minus value, minus negative integers, -1, -2. Clear? So we took 25 as assuming. Now f into u, first -14, -10, 0, 13, 2y, 30, 56, 45. Okay, now we have to add this two. So 2y को सेपरेट कर लो और ये चारों नंबर्स को ऐड कर लो, then subtract this -24, subtract 24. Okay, so what you will get, first you have to add here also, यहाँ पर भी ऐड करना है। टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ 100, सो यहाँ पे समेशन f 100 लिख दिए, एंड इफ यू ऐड ऑल दिस यू विल गेट 2y plus 120. Okay, 2y plus 120. Now what is the sum of all the frequency? 100. तो अगर इसको पूरा ऐड करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा, देखो 17 plus 13, 30, 40, 54, 63. So x plus y plus 63 is equals to 100. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is x plus y?
100
100 minus 63, that is 37. So यहाँ पर देखो कौन सा वेरिएबल है इसमें, only y. So we can write x is equals to 37 minus y. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll write the formula, that is x bar is equals to a plus summation fu upon summation f into h. The mean is given 42 and a we took 25 and summation fu is 2y plus 120 and summation f is 100. So we'll substitute all the values. Now shift this 25 to this side. So 42 minus 25 कितना होगा, 17. 17 is equals to 2y plus 120 upon 10, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक एक जीरो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now cross multiply, it will become 170. So 2y plus 120 is equals to 170. Now shift plus 20 to this side, 120 को इस तरफ शिफ्ट करो, minus 120. So what is y? 2y.
Sir, 50.
25.
So what is y?
Sir,
25.
25. Right.
25.
तो y निकल गया. अभी x का वैल्यू था 37 minus y. So we'll substitute here. So we'll get x is equals to 37. 37 minus y था. 37 minus 25 substitute करेंगे. So we'll get 12. Hence x is equals to 12 and y is equals to 25. Whether this method is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ठीक है. अभी कुछ स्टूडेंट लोग बोलते हैं कि सर हम डायरेक्ट मेथड ही यूज करना चाहते हैं. सो डायरेक्ट मेथड का एक मैं ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ कैसे सॉल्व करना है. डायरेक्ट मेथड में इसको कैसे करेंगे, f इंटू एक्स राइट, f इंटू एक्स मिलेगा. सो हम लोग को दो इक्वेशंस मिलेंगे. सो दो इक्वेशंस वाला मेथड यूज नहीं करना है. सो आई विल show you with one example how you have to use direct method in this question. Take this question, 2010 board question. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 65.6, find the missing frequency f1, f2. So first of all, सबसे पहले हम लोग f1 और f2 के बीच में रिलेशन निकालेंगे. हाउ? Add all these numbers. 5 plus 8 plus f1 plus 20 plus f2 plus 20 is equals to 50. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 35. So f1 plus f2 is equals to 15 आ रहा है. So f2 को हम लोग 15 minus f1 लिख सकते हैं. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
अब हम लोग का ये वाला टेबल है, देखो ध्यान से. मैं f2 को रिप्लेस कर दूंगा अभी. मैं f2 कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 15 माइनस f1. अब यहाँ पे एक ही वेरिएबल है, देखो. नाउ यू विल नॉट गेट टू इक्वेशंस. अगर डायरेक्ट मेथड यूज करना है तो ऐसे करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्लास मार्क?
20.
20. एंड द क्लास साइज ऑफ ऑल द क्लासेस आर सेम. सो 20 20 ऐड करते जाओ. 20, then 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Right, now f into x. Now multiplying these two numbers is very easy. What you will get? 5 into 20,
100.
100. 8 into 40,
320.
320. Okay, f1 into 60,
60 F1.
60 f1. 20 into 80.
1600.
Right, now this, if you multiply these two number,
1500 minus 100 F1.
very good, 1500 minus 100 f1. Now the last one,
240.
420, right? So we'll get these numbers. Now add all the numbers except these two, because these two we have to simplify separately. ठीक है, बाकी सारे numbers ऐड करो. 100 plus 320 plus 1600 plus 1500 plus 240, क्योंकि ये दोनों को करेंगे तो minus 40 आ रहा है, देखो. Right, so 3760 minus 40 f1 we got summation fx. Now what is the formula of mean? Summation fx upon summation f, right? And mean is given, what mean is given? Mean 65.6 दिया हुआ है. So 65.6 is equals to 3760 minus 40 f1 upon 50. Now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you will get 3280. फिर ये दोनों पे interchange करो. So we'll get 40 f1 is equals to 3760 minus 3280. So we'll get 480. So what is f1?
12.
12, right? So f2 था 15 minus f1. So f2 will be 15 minus 12, that is 3. So how this method is you are feeling? This is direct method. Hence f1 is equals to 12 and f2 is equals to 13. Only thing is that you change the second frequency in terms of first frequency. तो यहाँ पे एक ही वेरिएबल मिलेगा पूरा सॉल्व करते समय. So you will not get any two equations. Otherwise, if you will not replace, then you will get two equations. फिर दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करो एलिमिनेशन मेथड से या सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से. So this method is very easy. If you follow this way, so direct method is also very easy. Otherwise, that was also fine. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, section that is assignment questions. Only 4 questions are there, and you complete all these 4 questions. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.